What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're getting into another IAA walk around. We're going to walk around, check out some of the cool cars out here, try not to lose the contents of our stomach, and find some good deals. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First things first, how about a Lexus SUV? Now this one looks like it's seen better days. I don't know if that headlight is savable, but a lot of the plastics and stuff are broke. Crash bar looks like it's fine. Looks like it's all cosmetic on this end. It is a 2021 Lexus RX. Does it have the big boy screen? No, it does not. Kind of a base model RX. Nice leather. She's very clean. Only 8,000 miles, so pretty much brand new. Runs. That's a win. Recently had service. Wasn't due for service until 12,000 miles. It's from California, obviously. AC is ice cold, like from the start. I wish my BMW would blow like this ice cold from the start. Oh, averages about 16 miles a gallon. Nice. A little over half a tank of fuel in it. This one wouldn't be a bad pickup. You're going to pay for it though, because it's, you know, it is basically a Toyota. It's a Lexus. People will overbid on these like absolute nuts, and I mean like super overbid, like super overpay for these cars. And then, well, something like this where it's mostly cosmetic, it could be like a sensor or two, and then like the fender, the headlight could be expensive, but it doesn't look like it's the all LED, so probably not that expensive. But if you could get this for the right price for a decent deal, it's got the sunroof, not the panoramic, so that's cool. Huh. It's got the SOS button. It's got the launch the missiles button. I don't know, man. This one's not bad. Not bad for what it is. Pretty clean. Yes, I'm soaking wet. I'm sweating like a pig. This does not look bad at all. I could see this as a decent little pickup. And not even for something to flip. Like, this is something you buy and you keep. No check engine lights, no error codes, nothing. It's literally cosmetic repair and keep it moving. Now, for you, the lights are probably flickering or whatever. That's because of the refresh rate of the camera and the LED lights that power the thing. It's actually not flickering for me. It's just how the camera sees it for you guys. Same thing with this. You guys can see the screen the same way. But anyways, there it is, man. We'll keep it moving. This one is not bad. I think this one could be a decent little pickup for the right price. I like it. I really do. I really like this one. Huh. Well, guys, some of those Nissans are selling, as you can see. There's another one right there. Just like I picked up mine. They're selling out here fairly cheap. All right, guys. Keeping it moving. See what else we can find out here today. And yes, because it is so damn hot, and they did put the pavement out here, which makes it a little bit hotter. You know, I haven't worn my old boots in a while. And being that I'm not so fat anymore, and I can fit the damn things, my ankles ain't cankles. I can fit my old boots. All right. Da, 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 da. I've looked at this Tahoe before. It's disgusting. All right. What do we have? Ooh, that looks gnarly. Is that a FJ Cruiser? Yeah, it is. Yo, how you do that, bro? Oof. You took the Limp Bizkit song way too serious, man. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Woo! I think today is gonna be the dually edition. I mean, we did get to check the Lexus out, but there's just so many nice big trucks out here right now that we got to look at these, man. Look at this 3500 Duramax. Look, it says knock knock on the glass. Does it have a no start order? I don't see one. Oh, it came from Odessa. You know, Alley Financial. Probably a repo. You know, with the knock knock guac guac 3000. It's probably dead as a doornail. She is. Whew. Clean in here though. I mean, it's dirty, but I mean, like, it's not totally disgusting. If it needs a motor, it's kind of worthless, but comes from the CarMax auctions, because that's what it is now. CarMax. Odessa is basically CarMax at this point. Okay. Let's take a look under the hood. See if we see anything noticeable. Nothing that's clearly noticeable, so. But if it's got a knock 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 like it says on the thing, I'm sure that the motor does. Could be something as simple as bad glow plug, turbo issue, who knows. But with 339,000 miles on it, you know, engine issue probably wouldn't be too far out of the realm of possibility. But not bad though for the money, right? I mean, not bad as far as something you would see out here. Cosmetically, she looks great. So let's keep it moving. I see that dually over there. We'll check that Ram out here in a minute, but let's go right over here to this Denali. HD Denali. All right, guys, this is actually beautiful. I feel bad for that fender, but I'd probably fender work that and call it a day. Uh-oh. Stuff laying on the engine. That's never good. Open. Is it a non-runner? Uh-oh. Man, you busted both fenders. I bet you they stole this and was running from something and got pinched, because the front end right here took a nice little ding too. Nothing outside of the, like, the headlight is definitely savable. Didn't break or nothing. So, oh, I say that and now I see this little chip, but it's not cracked, it's normal. So that's, I would let that go. Fender, bumper, plastic piece. This is just cosmetic if it runs. If it runs. God, interior looks nice. She supposedly has power, but she's probably dead too though. Oh, it smells like ass. 142,000 miles, that's not a lot. Wait for the glow plug light. Runs like a champ. Runs like a champ. Get these license plates out of the way. Back looks good. Interior looks good. WeatherTech rubber mats in the rear. She runs. And runs like this. Let's see if the AC and stuff works. Heap. Woo! All right. Oh, air conditioned seats too. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see. She smells a little bit like ass, like mildewy a little bit, like she might have got wet. But I'm willing to bet somebody just stole it. Maristar, never heard of them before, but it is from Texas. Texas inspection is current until 23. I'm willing to bet it was somebody's work truck. I see some tool stuff back there. It's probably somebody's work truck. Steering looks good. Brakes work. She goes into gear, she moves. Man, This right here might be a solid little deal. For real. Huh. Got your trailer brake right here. You can adjust that. The gain on the brake. See that? 4-wheel drive. I mean, it's a Denali dually from 2015, right? This is nice. Like this, like I'm not gonna lie to you. If I got one of these, man, if I was able to find one of these for the right price, and I got it where I wasn't getting raped to buy it, like when I tell you this would be my end-all be-all vehicle, I would daily drive this shit everywhere. This would be my vehicle. That's it. No BMW, no car, no nothing. I don't need these big-ass wheels and stuff that are on it, but it'd be nice. Denali in the head. I mean, everything in here is, the interior is butter. It's good to go. Pedals move. Yup, the telescoping pedals and stuff move. Exhaust brake comes up. Lane departure. Come on, man. This thing has got everything, man. Eat a dick.
There is no content of this type available.
Oh, my seat's going up because I opened the door, so it slides up.
Radio station, say the command tune, followed by an AM or FM station.
How about, like, shut up? How about that? There we go. But the AC does work like a champ. That engine is solid, man. Yeah, I'm interested in this. You can see it on my face too. I'm literally like Birdman hand rub. Like, I'm adding this to my watch list. Next oil change wasn't due until 145,000 miles, and that's not even anywhere near that. So it just got serviced. So somebody probably stole this shit and then wrecked it. That's my guess. Sad. Super, super sad. Can't have nice things, man. People are scumbags. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm interested. I want it. I almost missed that dinging sound. Man. I don't know. This dually definitely has my name on it. I want it. I want it like yesterday. Put her down. There we go. Now she looks like a truck. But yeah, that thing is beautiful, man. That thing right there is absolutely beautiful.